Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 406, a draft style, hit style of 2015 in the game used. Good luck. Forgot to show you guys. Sealed. This is the third box from a fresh case.
Oh, maximum.
Boo! Maximum material. It's ugly looking card. No one likes it.
I thought that's like a cover.
No, that's the card. That bad, huh? At least it's Marcus Naslin and it's out of 20.
That's so ugly.
Doesn't even have a player's
Name
on there.
It's a black jersey.
It has a name. Okay, the first one is Marcus Naslin, Maximum Memorabilia Gold, number 2 of 20. Second card is Larry Robinson. Lots of halves in this stuff. 30 of 45, Larry Robinson. Next is, oh, nice. Connor McDavid, Sidney Crosby, 36 of 60, dual jersey. Connor McDavid and Sidney Crosby. There's the Connor. 87 and 97. That's nice. Yeah. Next card is dual patch memorabilia, 8 of 15, Timo Solani and Bobby Hall. That looks like a Timo Solani Jets jersey. Right there. Oh, that's another Jets card too. Domi, you have the same card. But that one was out of 25, I believe. And, oh, nice. We have a game used autograph and memorabilia, number 3 of 9. Jaromir Jagr. Autograph and game used jersey. Jaromir Jagr. That is nice. That would be a good start to my Jagr collection. The second card. Just to let you guys know, this Larry Robinson has a ding right there on the corner. Fortunately, right off the box, and it already has a ding. Okay, so we're going to go with the draft order. And let's see who gets the first pick. Right there. The draft order is there. Good luck. Let's see what the dice says. Dice says we are rolling 6 times for this. 6 times. Good luck. We got.
What time are you going?
Actually, I got it. There you go. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final. Good luck, guys. Here is the order. Domi, Ryan, Grant. Oh my God. Grant, the random does not like you. I'm sorry, bud. I am sorry. Wow. That's horrible. Okay, I gotta call Ryan for a sec and see what he wants to pick. Domi, go ahead with your first 2.
It's just a nice.
I like it. Yeah. Just imagine 87 and 97, like 10 years apart. It's pretty cool, right? Next one is going to be 07. Hey, buddy, how are you? Not bad, not bad. I don't know, we couldn't get that thing going and we did the draft. Oh, you do? Perfect. So you're watching right now? Okay, perfect. So you got the third and fourth pick, and as soon as Domi picks his two, you'll have third and fourth card. So he's gonna take two, and then you take two. Yeah, I'm surprised he's not taking the Jets card. How come you're not taking the Jets card, Domi? Okay, so he is going for those two. And now we got the Robinson out of 45, Bobby Hall out of 15, and Naslin out of 20. Jets card, Patch, Bobby Hall, and Selani. Okay, as I thought it would be. There you go, but we got another one coming up. I'm assuming you're good. Okay, perfect, no problem. Thanks, Ryan. Right now, yes. Okay, take care. Bye. Okay. Ryan is actually watching, so you can send him an offer. Grant, I'm gonna give you if you want to take his spot in the next one, I'll grab this card off you, and I'll knock off some money off the next one. It's Naslin, man. It's got to be a Vancouver card. It's got to stay here. You want to do that? I am more than happy to do that.
No, this is Rangers material.
Is it?
No, I'm kidding.
I would have got it anyways. Okay. We'll do that one after the mixer, okay? Because we have people waiting here for the big one. What spot number? 1, 2, 4, or 5?
Are you in this?
The big one?
Yeah.
No.
Two. Okay. So we got 3 spots left in the game. Let's go with the big rocks. And huh?
What's this? Liverpool, Stroke City? What?
Whoa, that was out.
No.
Oh,
That would
wasn't
have
that
been
sure?
nice.
Oh my
None
God.
of them.
What?
No.
That was crazy.
That was on target too, and the guy lost it. Oh.
No, I can't give him $2 for that card. I'll give him a little bit more.
3.
Yeah, Grant has been running bad, so I'll hook you up, Grant. Don't worry. Okay, guys, give me a few thumbs up. We're gonna go ahead with the mixer.
Here.
Not you,
Cool.
guys in the room.
I'm good.
I'm not talking to you either. I know you're a guy.
Ricky and Lee in this too?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Oh, actually, yeah, Ricky has Tampa and Vancouver.
And he's
Lee
not
doesn't have any.
here. And he's not here.
Nope.
Weird.
Do you have any?
Me and a friend are going with Dallas. We share Dallas halfway.
So you're the one who chose Dallas.
Michushkin.
Yeah, I
Well,
know.
he got it, and I begged him. I'm like, can you please? I'll
pay you more for it.
I told him, I'm like, I'll just any 13-14 Dallas is mine. 14-15 is
Oh,
yours.
is that what he wants? He wants 1450.
Don't say that, Grant. Okay, we're good to go, guys. Here we go. Good luck.
Good
This
luck,
is gonna
guys.
be a few. I think we're gonna do it in 3 parts. The video. I just don't want it to be a long video. Good luck, guys. Here we go.